So in this question, the rate of interest is given, that is 10% per annum. The time period is given 4 years, and it has been said that the difference between the compound interest for this time and rate and simple interest. The difference between compound interest and simple interest is 641, and we have to find out the principal in this. So we know that in compound interest, the amount is equal to the principal into the, since the rate of interest is 10%, so it will be equal to 1.1 into raised to the power 4. So amount will be equal to the amount after 4 years would be equal to principal into 1.1 into 4. And in simple interest, we know that the interest is equal to, or we can say that the amount is equal to the principal plus simple interest, and simple interest is equal to P into R, that is 10 into T, that is 4 on 100. So this comes out to be, this 10 into 4 becomes 40, and we'll take a common base 100, we'll take a common base 100, this 100 would go over here, 100 plus 40. So P into 140 upon 100. So it is given that the difference between the compound interest and simple interest is 641. So we'll calculate the difference between them. So compound interest is equal to P into 1.1 raised to the power 4 minus P into 140 upon 100 equal to 641. And this 1.1 raised to the power 4 becomes 1.1 into 1.1 becomes 121. 1.21 it will become, because it is 1.1, and 1.21 into 1.1 will become 1.331. So now there is one more 1.1, because we have multiplied 1.1 into 1.1. This has become 1.21 into 1.1. So we have taken 3 times. So we'll multiply it by 1.1 one more time. So this will become 14641, and 3 decimal places and 1 decimal places, that is 4 decimal places over here. So this will become 1.4641 P in minus P, or we can write it as, we'll remove this decimal place, we'll divide it by 10,000, since there were 4 decimal places, because the point was over here. So we'll remove the point and put it like this, into 140 upon 100 equal to 641. So this would become, P would take it as common. Now this would become 10,000. This is 14,641 minus, we'll make the denominator as 10,000 over here also. So the numerator will become 14,000. So this is equal to 641. So it gives that this 10,000, we'll take it over there, P into 14,641 minus 14,000, that is 14 P into 641 it will become, because 14,641 minus 14,000 will give 641 as a reminder, equal to 641 into 10,000. So this 641 and 641 will get cancelled, and principal will get as 10,000. So our answer is, on the sum of 10,000, The difference between the compound interest and simple interest would be as 641 when the rate of interest is 10% and the time period is 4 years. So our answer is 10,000 rupees.